Hey everyone, welcome back to the Spice Lab. Today I'll be showing you how to make tempered rice, also known as FODNI BHAAT. To make the tempered rice, you will need curry leaves, cumin seeds, ginger, garlic, tomatoes, onions, coriander leaves for garnish, salt for taste, and leftover cooked rice. Heat oil in a pan on a medium flame, add in the cumin seeds and let them sizzle. Add in the ginger, garlic and the curry leaves and saute it for a minute. Add chopped onions and sprinkle some salt over it to speed up the process of cooking. Cook the onions till soft and translucent. Add in the tomatoes and cook for 2 to 3 minutes till soft. Add the turmeric powder and the red chilli powder. Mix it well and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the chopped coriander leaves and mix it well with the masala. Add the cooked rice and let the rice get heated through for about 2 to 3 minutes. The tempered rice is now ready. Turn off the stove and squeeze some lime juice over it just before serving. The tempered rice can be served with raw mango salad or raita. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification button for more awesome recipes. Thank you for watching.